Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ReadPK. And today we will discuss some new sentences. And before that, please like and subscribe ReadPK. Before that, let me share my screen with you. First sentence of today is, do you like it there? A place where you live. So anyone can ask, do you like it there? So what will be its accent in Arabic? Accent or what will be its translation in Arabic? هل استمتعت بوقتك هنا؟ هل you did استمتعت you like بوقتك there هنا it there هل استمتعت بوقتك هنا. So let us try this it in Google Translate. And what will be the word similar to it? We'll see. هل أعجبك هنا؟ هل أعجبك هنا؟ هل ترغب في ذلك هنا؟ هل ترغب في ذلك هنا؟ Did you like it there? Okay, we should practice this sentence. هل استمتعت بوقتك هنا و it is better for us for using this one. هل أعجبك هنا؟ هل أعجبك هنا؟ Our next sentence is Morocco is a wonderful country. So you can say it in Arabic. Al-Maghrib balad al-Jamil. Jamil is used for wonderful. Balad country. Al-Maghrib balad al-Jamil. In Google Translate we have some other options. Al-Maghrib balad al-Raya. Okay, so let's move forward. What do you do for a living? Anyone can ask you about how you live and what you spend for your living. So you can say, Hal mehnatika. What job you do? Yes. Yes.